Hello everybody, it's Mehran and you are here at VetNeon, where we're gonna shed neon light on the captivating world of animal medicine, biology, behavior, breeds, and etc. together, and share knowledge and insights to help you become a more informed pet owner and animal enthusiast. I highly encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you are a pet owner, animal lover, veterinary student, or animal sciences student, as we'll be sharing various topics that will deepen your understanding and appreciation of our beloved animal companion. Stay with me. In today's video, I'm gonna share some essential tips and recommendations for those fellow dog lovers who are thinking about getting their first canine companion but aren't sure where to begin. I know with various wonderful breeds out there, it's a quite tough challenge to select the perfect pup and become a pet owner for the first time. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this process and help you to find the most perfect pup for your personality and lifestyle. Stay tuned, I'll be back in seconds. Are you thinking about bringing a furry friend into your life, but feeling overwhelmed by the hundreds of dog breeds out there? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of dog breeds and uncovering the best options for all you first-time dog owners. When choosing your first dog, it's essential to consider factors like temperament, energy levels, and compatibility with your lifestyle. After all, you want your new best friend to fit seamlessly into your family and be a joy to be around. So let's get started and explore some top breeds that tick all the boxes for new dog owners. Do you know what makes a dog beginner friendly? There are a couple of qualities that a beginner should look for in a dog. The first one is easy to train. It means that the dog should be intelligent and eager to please. The second one, which is quite important for first-time pet owners, is low maintenance. Breeds that require less grooming and face minimal health issues are more recommended for them. The other one is good temperament. Means social, friendly, and not overly stubborn dogs are recommended. And the other one is moderate energy levels. Not overly demanding for exercise. Breeds like Husky and Belgian Malinois is not recommended. So based on these characteristics, I will introduce some breeds which are recommended for the first-time pet owners with their pros and cons, and some breeds that first-time pet owners should avoid. So stay tuned. Labrador Retriever. These dogs are friendly, intelligent, easy to train, and great for families. But they need a little exercise, can be a mousy as a puppy. Golden Retriever. I love this breed a lot. These dogs are loving, patient, highly trainable and social, but they shed a lot and need regular brushing. Fair enough. Charles Spaniel, or Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. These dogs are small size, affectionate, and adaptable to apartments, but they are prone to heart issues and moderate grooming needed. Poodle, either miniature poodle or standard poodle, these dogs are highly intelligent and hypoallergenic. Low shedding is another pros for these dogs, but they need regular grooming and can be high energy. So take care. Bicon Frise or Bichon Frise. These dogs are playful, affectionate, easy to train, and good for small homes. But they require professional grooming every few weeks. They are beautiful. The last breed that I will recommend for first owners is Shih Tzu. These guys are low energy, affectionate, and adaptable to city life. But they need regular grooming and stubborn with potty training. So be careful. All good? So up to now I introduced 6 breeds which are more recommended for first-time pet owners, and I explained their pros and cons, and now you can select your first-time pet based on your personality and lifestyle. Now stay with me, I'm gonna tell you which breeds are not recommended. Husky or Siberian Husky. They are high energetic, independent, and stubborn. Border Collie. They require constant stimulation. They need a job. Dalmatian. These dogs are strong-willed, but they are prone to some health issues like some urinary stones. So if you're not interested in them, I would not recommend them. Chow Chow. They require strong leadership. They are very, very beautiful. Jack Russell Terrier. They are hyperactive and can be aggressive if not trained well. For the last chapter of this video, I would like to give some essential tips to you, first-time pet owners. Don't forget, commitment matters. So even some easy breeds that I've introduced them through this video need attention, love, patience, and training. So don't underestimate them. Another point that I would like you to take into consideration is that some mixed breeds from shelters can make great first-time pets. So don't forget them and have a look on the shelters as well. And the last point is consider your lifestyle and your lifestyle compatibility. A small apartment versus a house with a yard makes a difference. So select your ideal pet based on your personality and lifestyle. Okay, this is the end of this video, and I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends and other pet lovers, and give me a thumbs up. I would be more than happy if you comment me the breeds that you think is more suitable for the first time pet owners, and if you have any experience about your first time pet, I would be happy to know about that. Have a good day and bye bye.